Hey TayBaes, it's Taya. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we have an unboxing and review of some skincare products. I've been trying these products out and wanted to come to you all and share how they worked for me, give you a little bit of information about the products and also the skincare line itself as well, and how you can create a personalized skincare regimen through your skincare. And thank you so much, Your Skincare, for sending these products to me. I really enjoyed using them, really enjoyed testing them out, so I appreciate you sending them over. To everyone who is watching this review and the unboxing today, I will be giving you my honest thoughts, feelings, opinions, emotions behind this product, regardless of it being sponsored. So if you are wanting to know what I thought about these products, then keep on watching. Okay, so let's start off with a little bit of background and information about the brand itself to let you know what I was expecting to receive from the brand and how I went about selecting what was going to come in my regimen. So what's unique about Your Skincare is that they use artificial intelligence through a skincare quiz in order to use different factors that you report to them, like your age, your skin type, your living environment as well, to decide what is going to be the best skincare products for you specifically. So every skincare regimen is personalized to the actual user. So basically they make it really easy for you to select skincare products that are going to work best for you. They essentially take the guesswork out of choosing each of your individual skincare products. Once you take the skincare quiz and give them all the requested information, it will populate a skincare regimen with 4 products for you to use. There's a cleanser, a day cream, a serum, and then also a night cream as well. I also got a face mask. It was a little sample size face mask, so I did get one use out of that face mask as well. So as you can see, it's very easy. The skincare quiz is not complicated. It's very easy to do. I'm going to put it on one side of the screen. I did actually go through and just click through the steps in the skincare quiz again, just so you all could see what that would look like, so you know what to expect. It's very informative, super easy to use, and at the end will tell you what to expect in your skincare routine as well. Another great thing about their skincare products is that they use all clean ingredients. So every product is going to be paraben free, it's going to have no fillers, toxin free, made in the USA, no animal testing, and also cruelty free. So you can feel good about using these products knowing that, one, there is no cruelty that went into making them, and also knowing that it's only going to be things that are actually good for our skin and nothing that's going to be toxic or damage our skin. So the goal of the brand, Your Skincare, really is to be able to deliver personalized skincare that is super easy, transparent. They let you know all the ingredients that are in each of their products as well, and very accessible and effective, right? Because that's the part that matters. You can give me a skincare quiz, you can give me all the information in the world, but the product doesn't work, then it doesn't work. Okay, so now that you know a little bit about the brand itself and also what the skincare quiz looks like, I want to go ahead and show you what actually came in my box. So hold tight, stay right there, and keep on watching, and we'll just walk through everything that came in my box. Okay, so this is what my box looked like when it arrived. Right when you open up the box, you're going to see this really nice little information card. I love the fact that it showcases a couple of women with different skin tones, different skin textures as well, different hair types on the information card that arrived, because to me that just indicates that this is something for everyone. They're going to find something that works for all different types of women from different walks of life. So on the back of the card, it does detail what your morning and your nighttime routine will look like. It tells you the exact steps to use, so that's super helpful. Really just takes the guesswork out of everything. So all the products came wrapped up really nicely in the package. It was really cute packaging. I love the kind of mint green color of their brand, and I love the way that they packaged up all the products. Okay, so in the box, it does have each of your products, and it also had a ingredient sheet for the day cream. But besides that, of course, we have the products. Okay, so the first product in the box here that you see is the cleanser. Each of the products does have a number on it so that you know kind of where it fits within the order of your skincare routine. The next item, number 2, is your day cream. The day cream itself does have sunscreen with an SPF of 30, which is great. The next item in the box is the serum. Serum has the number 3 on it. Next, we have the night cream. All the packaging is basically white except for the serum, which is that opaque color. But everything just looks very neat, very clean, and very simple. And I think that really just goes with the brand's message and approach, which is just to make everything super simple but effective. And lastly, number 5 is a Your Face Mask. Okay, so that's all of the products that came in my box. I personally used these products for just shy of a month, and I did also take pictures at the start of that and then also at the end so that you would be able to see before and after pictures. So I'm also going to show those to you just so you can see how these products work for me and if there was a visible difference. And spoiler alert, there was. So I will go ahead and show you all what the results were right now. Okay, so these were my results, and I don't know if you can tell, but I'm just going to point out a couple of things, a couple of changes in my skin over that time. One of the problem areas that I pointed out in my quiz was dark spots. I think that a lot of women of color do have problems with dark spots, and I certainly do. So that was something that I was hoping that my skincare routine would be able to address. Now, you can see in my after photo that I do still have dark marks on my face, but I want to call your attention to one particularly dark spot on my cheek that by the after picture is virtually gone. It's not there anymore. So what that tells me is that this product did work to get rid of that dark spot, and it was a newer dark spot too, so I think that that may be why it worked so quickly and so completely on that dark spot. I think that with some of the older dark spots that I've had for a while, it will also be effective, but will take a little bit more time. But I thought that that was really cool just to be able to see so clearly that it actually did do what it was supposed to do. If you look on the other side of my face as well, the before and after pictures, similarly, it did fade some of those dark spots as well. So I think that that was awesome. To me, that shows that this product definitely was effective in that area. I actually want to talk through a little bit my experience with each of these products and actually using them. So let's kind of transition to that piece. Okay, so let's talk about the cleanser first. Now, this cleanser did work pretty well for me, I would say. I think it did a really good job of getting my face clean. It didn't lather up. I know that doesn't really matter, but if you're like me, you kind of gauge how cleanser is working by how much it lathers up. That probably sounds ridiculous, but I like things that lather. But I will say that it still felt like it got my skin very clean whenever I used it. Something else that I want to point out about this cleanser, there's an ingredient that is in the cleanser that is a little bit stronger. That some people who have that ingredient in their cleanser experience skin peeling, and that's just because exfoliating your face and shedding some of that older skin to let the fresh new skin that's underneath kind of shine through. I did experience that. I was using the cleanser day and night, and it definitely was causing my skin to peel. So that is something that I don't care for. And if that's something that bothers you, you can scale it back from using this 2 times a day to instead using it 1 time a day until your skin gets used to it, and it also lets the skin kind of peel more gradually than if you're using it 2 times a day. So that's what I ended up doing. The next thing that we'll talk about is this day cream. So as you can see, it kind of hung there. The day cream itself was pretty thick. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's not too thick, but definitely not runny or anything like that. This is a cream slash sunscreen that will leave a bit of a cast on your skin. So just be aware of that. After a while, it absorbs and it fades away, but definitely something to note. But I think that we all kind of experience that with any sunscreen. I felt like this day cream did add some moisture to my skin in addition to protecting it from the sun, so we can't be mad at that. So definitely appreciated the fact that this came with some protection, okay? All right, so the next thing I want to talk about is this serum. So the Your serum was number 3. Cute little bottle that the serum comes in. It does say to apply 2 to 3 drops to your hand and then to your face. So that is typically how I would apply it. The serum actually is pretty thick. I don't know if you can see that. It is a pretty thick consistency and a little bit sticky. So when I would apply it to my face, you could definitely feel it when you applied it to your face. It kind of left it a little bit tacky for a second there until it absorbed into your skin, but it did absorb pretty quickly, and I personally felt like it made my skin feel nice. Once it absorbed in, I felt like my skin felt very nice, very fresh, and moisturized as well. So I think this was probably the part of the routine that I enjoyed the most. I really liked using this serum. I felt like I don't know, it just felt like it was doing something. And last but not least is the night cream. It came in this little jar, and it smells just like a typical cream. Definitely does not have any kind of a heavy fragrance. It's very, very light, if any fragrance in here. It's kind of a thinner cream. It's white, and it's really, really nice. It feels very silky, and it absorbs so well into the skin and makes your skin feel so soft. Oh, y'all, just put it on my hand. It feels so good. It feels so good. So it is like the perfect consistency to where it doesn't just like sit on your skin. It absorbs in so nicely, and then like my hand feels like a baby's bottom right now. Makes your skin feel extremely moisturized. Okay, so those were the items that came in my personalized skincare routine from Your Skincare. In general, I didn't have a bad experience using these products at all. I felt like it actually did make an improvement on my skin, like that I could visibly see and feel. But in addition to that, you can tell from my before and after pictures that it actually was doing something too. So for me, if the question is it effective? Absolutely. And isn't that really what we want in our skincare products? I really enjoyed it. And if you're looking for something to be just for you, if you're someone who struggles and you go to the store all the time and you're kind of sitting in the skincare aisle for a while because you just cannot figure out what to pick up because there's 1,000,003 products in that aisle. It's hard, y'all. It is hard to go down that aisle and pick out the things that's going to work especially for you. All that being said, that's why this is a great product to potentially try if you're trying to find something that is yours. Your skincare. That was corny. It was, but I'm serious. Okay, y'all, so those are my thoughts on my personalized Your Skincare regimen. You can go to yourskincare.com in order to make your own personalized regimen by taking a quiz. I personally would recommend it. Go ahead and check out the website. Even if you don't end up getting anything, I would recommend going to the website and taking the quiz just because it's kind of interesting to do, and then kind of go from there to see if you want to actually buy the products and try them. So that's all, you guys. I don't have anything else to say about the products themselves, but if you do have any questions that came to mind as you're watching this video, please do make sure that you go ahead and put those down in the comment section and I will answer all of those questions for you. That's it. Please make sure that you go ahead and like this video if you found it helpful or if you just enjoyed it. If you're new to my channel, please do go ahead and make sure that you hit that subscribe button before you take off as well. And I will catch you all in the next video. Bye!